Tips for preventing pests in your garden. Practice good garden hygiene. Keep your garden free of debris and weeds as they can harbor pests and diseases. Remove dead or damaged plant material to prevent pests from making their home in it. Prune your plants regularly to remove diseased or damaged branches. Use companion planting. Planting certain plants together can help to deter pests. For example, marigolds and nasturtiums can help to repel aphids. Plant herbs such as basil, mint, and rosemary have a strong scent that can repel insects. Physical barriers. Use row covers, netting, or mesh to keep pests away from your plants, as well as sticky traps to catch flying insects, such as whiteflies. Use natural pest control methods. Things such as insecticidal soap or neem oil, which are natural and safe for the environment. Introduce beneficial insects, such as ladybugs, lacewings, or parasitic wasps, which can help control pests. Be vigilant. Check your plants regularly for signs of pests, and take action as soon as you notice any problems. Remove and dispose of any infested plants to prevent pests from spreading to other plants in your garden. By following these tips, you can reduce the risk of pests damaging your plants and ensure a healthy, thriving garden.